971. Okay, we've reworked this top section of the Atomic Ivy MMO source code, slightly reworked the dividers, configuration top, slightly different section name, system index, slightly different section name, right? Instead of just system index, it's system index with underscores and hashtags. We're just kind of, we're doing some housekeeping, okay? In the illegal section, we got some illegal stuff. Don't fucking type this shit, okay? Moving on. Enums by system, a new section for enumerations belonging to systems. We have some hunk vector enums. So we have void, bad, edge, body, and all for hunk vector fill enums belonging to the hunk vector system. We're never going to use the body fill. We're never going to use that, so I'm just documenting that down here. Okay, then, down here in, the types by system, we have the new hunk vector constructor, and inside of our object, we have a new member hunk vector fill enumeration, and then right here, once we get the object back, we're going to set that to the invalid enumeration, hunk vector fill bad, right? And down here in the hunk tetrad, this is a monkey wrench macro. This is a function that is going to draw the tetrad using the tetrad and the bomb v16 value, the bomb that's exploding, right? So these inputs are directly right here. This explanation has been stolen from the function below. We'll do this code in the next video, and this function is now a disallowed function. We're not going to do it this way. This is a non-optimized way to do what we need to do, so we wrote a little message here to say don't fucking do it this way, okay? Then down here in hunkering, in our function that takes a ring-shaped explosion at a certain address and turns it into a hunk tetrad. Inside of this function, right here we have make wireframe, right? So we've taken this and put it over here, and we're going to assign the edge style explosion to all 4 of the hunk vectors that are part of our hunk tetrad, okay? And then I commented out this error right here, and then in bomb simp, in the emit from center functions, in our bomb simp emit from center spark function, if we scroll down here into do stuff with the hunk, we have draw hunk tetrad. The input v16 is a bomb v16. We're going to call this function with the hunk tetrad and the bomb v16 to draw the explosion for our ring-shaped explosion, okay? And then down here, we have footnotes and stuff, but we are out of fucking time. My name is Kanji Coder. If you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here. We have no fucking time here. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine.